Hello children, I hope everyone is fine and healthy. So again in our favorite subject, that is discovery, we are going to see a new topic, that is our body. Now our body, you know very well that our body is made out of small cells, okay, and when these small cells comes together, a tissue is formed. When many tissues come together, they form an organ. And you know there are many internal organs in our body which perform different types of functions, and they are very important in our body. Our body works due to these internal organs. So today we are going to study about these internal organs. Okay children? So now the organs names are intestine, stomach, liver, heart, lungs, kidneys and brain. So these are the important internal organs that are placed in our body. But we should know that where they are placed exactly in our body and what are their functions. So let us now see their placement in our body and their functions. So children, this is the model of human torso. Torso helps us to know the different parts of our body. It helps us to just learn the placement where the different organs are placed in our body. So we will learn it with the help of this torso. So it will be in a very easy way. Okay. So let us start with brain. You know very well that brain is placed in the head part of our body. Okay. And what is the function of the brain? Brain controls our body. Whatever function is done by our body, whatever activities are done by the different parts of our body, it is controlled by the brain. And that is the reason it is also called as control unit of the body. Okay. So now let us see where exactly it is placed in our body. So it is placed in the head part of our body. Like this it is placed. So this is the brain. So let us see one more important organ of our body, that is heart. You know very well that heart plays a very vital role in our body. The function of the heart is to pump the blood to our body. And you know very well children that through the blood the oxygen is supplied to the whole body. So the main function of supplying the oxygen to the whole body through the blood is done by heart. So let us see now where exactly heart is placed in our body. So it is placed like this here near the lungs area. So this is heart. So now let us see the third internal organ, that is lungs. Lungs is placed in this area where the heart is placed actually children. And there are two lungs in our body. And one very interesting thing about lungs is that the left side lung is little bit smaller than the right side. The reason is that because of this the heart can easily be placed in that area. So actually we can learn a very good lesson from our own body that the organs are also adjusting for the other organ. So we can also do the same thing in our life children. We should adjust for our friends, for our family members so that we can just help them in some way. Okay. So this is about the size of the lungs and the placement of the lungs. Now let us see what is the main function of the lungs. The main functions of the lungs is to take the oxygen. You know very well that continuously we do the breathing process, and through the breathing process we take oxygen from the environment and we give out carbon dioxide. So this process, this is the main function which is done by the lungs. Okay children? So the next organ which we will see is liver. The main function of liver is to help the process of digestion. It produces some juices or some substances which makes our digestion process easy. Digestion is done easily. Now let us see where exactly it is placed in our body. It is actually placed here near the stomach area. Here it is placed. That is, liver is the largest internal organ in our body. Okay children? And near the liver, one more important organ is there, that is stomach. Stomach is J in shape and it is made up of very strong muscles so that it can crunch and turn the food particles into tiny particles. Food items into tiny particles so that it can be digested very easily. So now let us see where stomach is placed in our body. It is placed in this area where liver is there, like this. There are two identical organs which are bean shaped in our body. It is placed here in this area near the stomach and the liver, okay, and it is called as kidneys. Now, what is the main function of kidneys, children? You know very well that there is lot of salt and water in our body. So the main function of kidney is to remove the extra salt and water and the used salt and water from our body by means of in the form of urine. Now one more thing is there, here also kidney, the right side kidney is little bit slightly smaller than the left side kidney. Okay, so it is about the kidneys. The next internal organ that we will see is intestine. Intestine is placed near the stomach area. Okay. There are two types of intestine, children. Large intestine and small intestine. This green color shows the large intestine and this one is the small intestine. Why it is placed in this area? There is a reason, children. The reason is that the main function of intestine is to extract or absorb whatever nutrients is present in the food. The food goes after the stomach, it goes to the intestine. First it will go in the small intestine and then it goes to the large intestine. Why? Because both these intestines, they just extract, absorb whatever nutrient value is present in the food. Which are the nutrient value generally which we observe? They are the fats, vitamins, minerals, ions and all these things. Okay. So that's why we always suggest that we should eat healthy food so that we will get all that nutrient value from our food. So this is the main function of intestine, to extract the nutrient value, mix it with the blood and then it is supplied to the whole body. Okay children? So today we saw the different internal organs of our body, where they are placed exactly and their functions. It is very important to know their functions also, children, because these are the organs which helps the whole body to function properly. Okay, so we are learning the different functions of different organs and finally we will come to know how exactly the body works. Okay children, I hope you like it.